Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a Gumroad account. Alright, so first up, just go ahead and open up your browser and log into gumroad.com. And then once it's opened, just go ahead over to the bottom left, right here, or in the left panel. At the very bottom, you have your profile. So just go ahead and click on it. And once done, click on Settings. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, at the very top, we have these tabs. So just basically find Advanced, click on it. And then here we are going to scroll all the way down until we find the Delete Your Gumroad Account button. Now it says here, deleting your account will permanently delete all your products and product files, as well as any credit card and payout information. You will not be able to restore your account once it's deleted, and you will be unsubscribed from any memberships. You will also not be able to create a new account with this account's email. Do keep that in mind. So if you're really sure, go ahead and click on Delete a Gumroad Account. Click on Yes, Delete My Account. Once that's done, you'll be logged out, and it says here your account has been successfully deleted. Thank you for using Gumroad. And that's how easy it is to delete a Gumroad account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.